In this part, we are going to create a class. So we are going to create a new file called main.java. And then we type class. And under the class, we type main. And then we are going to create a fruit class. So we create a new file called fruit.java. And then here, we type a field variables like private, the price, and the size. And then if we go to here and try to create a apple object, so we have to use fruit apple and then equal to new, because we want to initialize new fruit. And then we try to access the field by apple dot, and you cannot see the size or price because this is private, except you put this into public. So when we back to here and press the dot, now you can see the price. But this is not an appropriate way to do because we do not want to expose the field directly. So we have to create the getter and setter. So we can use the generator, and then we generate the getter and setter. So now we can set the price and get the price by using this method. So now we can use apple.setPrice and then such as 13. And then we can also output the price by using apple.getPrice